watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As spring approaches, it's time to infuse your farmhouse with fresh decor ideas that capture the essence of the season. From floral accents to rustic charm, these farmhouse-inspired decorations will breathe new life into your home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for the season ahead. Everyone could use a little more joy in their homes after a long and harsh winter. You can get a farmhouse style for spring with these suggestions. Although we've already shared several incredible springtime home decor ideas, this piece will concentrate especially on farmhouse style. Because of its family-friendly vibe and rustic features, we adore farmhouse design. You can still be inspired by this warm decorating style, even if you don't live on a farm in the rural United States. Let's begin with pink peonies on the coffee table and cherry blossoms on the fireplace. Enjoy the beauty of spring by decorating your coffee table with vivid pink peonies and your fireplace mantle with exquisite cherry blossoms. Pink roses and botanical wall prints. Incorporate a little of rustic elegance into your farmhouse decor with botanical wall prints that showcase vibrant pink roses and lush greenery. Decorate your coffee table with flowers in a white vase. Bring the cheery colors and crisp aroma of spring into your living room with a floral arrangement in a white vase. Spring flower centerpiece. Adorn your dining room table with a gorgeous flower centerpiece to celebrate the beauty of the season and set the stage for unforgettable occasions. Pale pink dinnerware. Give your meals and get-togethers with loved ones a touch of springtime charm by updating your dining table with pale pink dinnerware. Eucalyptus table arrangement. Add a touch of rustic refinement to your farmhouse dining experience by arranging fresh eucalyptus branches into an exquisite table arrangement. Hanging flower basket over bed. A hanging flower basket above your bed will fill the room with the sweet scent of freshly bloomed flowers and turn your bedroom into a peaceful haven. Flowers in a white pitcher on the nightstand. Bring the beauty of nature indoors with a straightforward arrangement of flowers in a white pitcher to add a touch of rustic romance to your bedside table. Handcrafted floral pillows. A farmhouse garden's charm is evoked by the handcrafted floral pillows that will liven up your bedroom's decor. The fabrics are inspired by old styles. Hello Spring sign. Add a whimsical touch to your farmhouse doorway decor by greeting guests with a cute Hello Spring sign. Spring wreaths. Stylefully announce the coming of the season by adorning your doorways with gorgeous spring wreaths made from vivid flowers and foliage. Spring throw pillows. Invigorate your living area with throw pillows with a spring theme. These pillows have cheery patterns and gentle pastel colors that promote comfort and relaxation. Hanging flowers. Create a gorgeous wall decoration that oozes farmhouse charm by adorning a wooden ladder with hanging flowers to lend a rustic touch to your foyer. Spring quotation printable. Add a sentimental and upbeat touch to your farmhouse decor by using a printable spring quotation to decorate your walls. Chalkboard art. Use your imagination to create personalized floral designs on chalkboard art, which will let you switch up your decor for every season and occasion. With these charming farmhouse spring home decor ideas, you can embrace the beauty of the season while infusing your home with timeless rustic elegance. Whether it's a simple floral arrangement or a custom chalkboard drawing, each element adds a touch of warmth and personality to your farmhouse decor, creating a welcoming environment for all who enter.